In this video, I'll tell you how you can easily download and install GCam in your Samsung device. Since there is no official application in Google Play Store, we will need to download it from Google Chrome. Before that, we will need to give few permissions. Before downloading, we will need to give few necessary permissions. Simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to security and privacy. Then scroll down once again and tap on more security settings. Scroll down and right here you can see install unknown apps. Tap on that and from here you will need to give permission to Google Chrome and My Files. Since we are not downloading it from Google Play Store, make sure to enable this toggle of Google Chrome and also enable for My Files. Once you have done that, simply navigate to your Google Chrome browser and right here search this. Tap on the search icon and go to first website. Then scroll down and right here you can see download for Samsung phones. Tap on that and tap on the first download link like this. Tap on details like this and you can see that the application is now downloading. Once the download is completed, simply tap on that and tap on install. However, I am seeing this error. To fix this, simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to security and privacy. Then scroll down once again and from here you will need to disable this toggle of auto blocker. Simply enter your password and this toggle will be disabled. After that go back to your downloads like so and install once again. Tap on install and the app will be installed successfully. And right here you can see app has been installed successfully. Simply tap on open and give necessary permissions. After that go back and right here you can see the app has been installed successfully. That's how you can easily install GCam application on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.